Where are you going?
You want some banana? Share some banana?
Where are you going?
New camera on your blankie.
Yeah. Blankie.
Some cereal?
You like your blankie? Hey, I got Mom's butt on video.
Cereal?
Cereal.
Yeah.
That's
Good job. That was
good.
Yeah.
That's really good. What else? What else?
I want to go see Disney
Lasagna?
today.
Lasagna? He's like, I'm having cereal and you're talking about lasagna? Good boy. That's a good boy.
Actually, there's a couple milk in here.
Yeah.
This stuff is still good.
What's your favorite? Do you like pizza? Hey, can I hear you say please? Oh, that's so cute.
Good job. Here you go.
Good job. What does the doggy say? Bow wow. What does the duck say?
That's what duck says when it dies.
Yeah.
What does a monster say? No, monster goes.
What does a kitty say? No, a kitty says meow. Meow. Can you say tractor?
Good job.
Good job.
You want some milk?
Is that good?
I don't think the milk comes out of here as well as it does the other ones.
It's more like a bottle. Cereal. He's hungry. Are you leaving any cereal for Daddy to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
He's getting some Eggo with Mama.
You're gonna have Eggo with Mama? Are you gonna have Eggo too?